Drag the missing letter to spell the word can. Good job! Drag the missing letter to spell the word fan. Good thinking! Drag the missing letter to spell the word hen. Good work! Drag the missing letter to spell the word man. Great! Drag the missing letter to spell the word pan. Great job! Drag the missing letter to spell the word pen. Awesome! Drag the missing letter to spell the word pin. Cool beans! Drag the missing letter to spell the word sun. Keep it up! Drag the missing letter to spell the word van. Keep up the good work. Drag the missing letter to spell the word bus. Nice!